Hey guys, hey, welcome to another video. Listen, I look rough right now. I look rough. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Chevelle. You can call me Chev. Right now, we're doing some businesswoman and businessman things. The boys are with us. It's hot. Like, this car needs a whole new AC. My head looks a hot mess. We're picking up some packages, and I'm gonna show you guys what those packages are. These are the packages. Reason why I don't come out of the car, I don't come out of the car, everybody has to stay home. My head is like Marusa. So the stuff that I just showed you guys, that is another part of our business, which we do. We sell water machines. So if you're looking to start a water store, yeah. If you're looking to start a water store, if you need ice machines, we have that straight from China. So we're picking that up today. And then yeah, I was actually supposed to be going to the doctor because I don't feel well. That's why my head looks like this. I just wrapped up my head and just let out the hose. But now I'm actually maybe feeling better. So I'm just like, all right, we'll see how I feel for the rest of the day, rest of the night, and then go from there. So that's what we're doing. But I got some work to finish, so when I'm finished, I'll come back and talk to you guys.
Close eyes, AJ. Step away.
Yeah, that's for you.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, baby.
You're welcome, Tanya.
Daddy,
Yeah.
Mommy, open it.
You want to open it?
Yeah.
Ito ka dyan yung kalirang panimberan.
Open it.
Yeah, mommy, open it.
Daddy, open it, Mommy.
Mommy, open it. There you go. Airplane. You guys love airplane. Today is Friday. It is a very, 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 very beautiful Friday afternoon, and we are just outside, just taking in the sun and just relaxing. I'm just taking in the sun because I've been inside all week, between work and rain. I've barely been outside, so I'm just outside with the boys, just taking in some sun, and then we're gonna clean up the yard a little bit. We have a little part down there, so that we need to clean up. So Sunday is my second born's birthday. AJ, come here. Come there, JJ. Come here. No, come to mommy. Come to mommy.
Jamil, come over here, sir.
This way. Come this way. Come. So AJ's birthday is on Sunday. Come put it in your tongue. So tomorrow we're gonna go get their haircut.
Papa,
Get his cake, his balloons,
balloons.
and stuff. I had really planned for us to go somewhere for his birthday, but we are one of those people who believes that holidays, we shouldn't be traveling on holidays, because you know some crazy people that drive up and down and all them look at something there. So we are choosing to stay home. No, we're gonna go to church, of course, and then I don't know what we're gonna do afterwards. Probably go to a river or somewhere. Other than that, I don't know what we're doing as yet for his birthday, but I just know we're going to church, but I don't know what else we're gonna do. Why would you do that?
Stuck in ambition and I don't know what tomorrow holds, but I'ma jump right up in it, yeah. Geronimo, yeah, Geronimo. Boy, like my God's in control, and I don't gotta fold my forehead in triplets. Let's just walk by faith and watch the promise come forth, because he meant it. I'm losing count of mistakes, I'm losing track of the wrongs. To come up is crazy, letting it go is a grace. I put my heart in a song and play it like David. Doesn't matter what I see no more, I'm holding on to the vision, yeah. I ain't who I used to be no more, and don't care if you see the difference. Order my steps, eyes wide open.
So my part of the job is done. Now it's hubby's part now. Guys, if you're new here, right? I don't got an aesthetically pleasing. Furthermore, this is not my forever home. So yeah, we just working with what we can work with.
Whatever you allow, whatever's coming now, I'll keep my trust grounded long as you still hold me. Slipping away, time is crucial. I've been used to making time to use my social handles, breaking my devotions unto God for praying. Keep it honest, I'm just being realer. When my time is due, there's no subpoena. Shelter my emotion in the music. Drop the songs I know ain't being used, especially if I know ain't being truthful. I compare myself to you and you so often that I'm feeling so unusual. I just want the God in me to shine without feeling like it's so sublime.
We're going by Price Mart. We're going to get bananas. We're gonna get fruits for the store, mixed fruits and stuff like that. So tag along, okay? Stick with me. Don't go anywhere. Please remember to like, comment the video. Stay to the end, guys. Stay to the end. All right? Stay to the end.
Yeah, yeah. I'm counting blessings on blessings on blessings. I'm counting blessings on blessings on blessings.
We are doing protein powder. We are doing, guys, I'm stepping all the way out of my comfort zone because I have eyes on me, and y'all know I don't like eyes on me. Where's the protein powder? Protein powder. Thank you so much. Alright, so we need.
He knows that we gon' slip up, but we gotta keep on repenting. Jesus, he died for our sins. How could we ever forget it? Yeah, me and my brothers, we lit, we going to heaven. We gon' keep preaching the word and saving them souls. Yeah, we gon' keep.
We need 2 peanut butter. Listen. I have on no glasses. I don't even know how much see this place. I got no glasses on. Sorry. I don't think that's it either.
Word, I gotta believe it. I'ma keep walking my faith even when I don't see it. I'm with my brothers and sisters in Christ. No, we ain't perfect, we tryna live right. Gotta make sure that we stay in the fight. Gotta make sure we stay.
I got all we need from Price Mart. I'm not gonna stray. Usually I stray and go look for things, but you know, so we're on a time crunch. Oh no, I need to go get AJ's cake.
It don't matter if we fall down, cause we still gonna win either way. I'ma keep trusting this timing, cause I know that my God never late. I'ma keep preaching about Christ, either way. I'm counting blessings on blessings on blessings. I'm counting blessings on blessings on blessings. I'm counting blessings on blessings on Drop to my knees, you know I'm repenting. I sing a melody, this is my weapon. Jesus is king, you know I'm a reppin'. You know I'm a reppin'.
It's hot. It's extremely hot. So my husband's gone down to the trolley now. It's hot. And we need to get something to eat. We haven't eaten anything from morning. It's hot. So hot. I'm literally blasting the AC right now. My hair looks so dry. Like I'm looking at some clips of my video just a while ago. My hair looks so dry and so thirsty. Oh my gosh. I really need to go for the treatment because it looks so dry. Yes? And I asked Daddy to buy you ice cream, okay? Okay, so just wait. So we're just getting ice cream now. We're gonna get a box of ice cream. So the box of ice cream is for the ice cream smoothies. Listen, this vlog is gonna be a little bit all over the place because yeah, it's gonna be a bit all over the place. So forgive me, guys. Where do you want my phone for? You're looking for AJ?
Mommy, AJ broke it.
This toy broke?
Here.
So I just put the grapes in some vinegar and baking soda. That's how I clean my grapes. Hubby bought this for us. A Moscato Rose. Should I wait on him to taste it? I can't open it. When I have on nails, I can't. Oh, there we go. Alright, let's see what it tastes like. I like sweet wine. I don't like doesn't smell like it's gonna be sweet. Tastes good. Tastes good. It tastes good. For me, it tastes good. So we got grapes at PriceSmart. We got a cake, but we didn't get his name on the cake, so hubby's gonna carry that back to PriceSmart to get his name on it because the line was too long for the name placement. We got some green grapes. I always get either the red or the purple one. Got some green one. Got apples. Got my Greek yogurt. And outside we got some mangoes. I bought some mangoes outside. What else I would get from PriceSmart? So we got the stuff them for the shop. I didn't get to show you guys us bringing them into the shop and stuff like that because when you have kids and when you're doing these things with kids, it's a lot harder. So yeah, we didn't get to do that, but another day and another time. I'm gonna organize better, as in we just do away with the kids and then go over my aunt's for the day, and then we do some business content. The green grapes, they taste so good, so good.
Daddy,
All right, eat your fruits, Jam. Don't pay him no mind. Eat your fruits.
Yeah. I'm counting blessings on blessings on blessings. I'm counting blessings on blessings on blessings. I'm counting blessings on blessings on blessings. Me and my brothers gon' make it to heaven. If I fall off, I still learn the lesson. Drop to my knees, you know I'm repentant. I sing a melody, this is my weapon. Jesus is king, you know I'm a rapper. Oh, yeah. I fell in love with the king, yeah, I got an obsession. Yeah, the drugs, the money, the sex, boy, you know that I left it. Yeah. I gave my life to God, I'm counting blessings on blessings. Life is more than the money, boy, stop all the stressing. He really wants to save you, you just gotta accept it. Yeah, he knows that we gon' slip up, but we gotta keep on repenting. Jesus, he died for our sins, how could we ever forget it? Yeah, me and my brothers, we lit, we going to heaven. We gon' keep preaching the word and saving them souls. Yeah, we gon' keep preaching the word and saving them souls. My old life full of sin, I'm letting it go. Yeah, the presence of God is my high when I'm feeling low. I'm counting blessings on blessings on blessings. I'm counting blessings on blessings on blessings. I'm counting blessings on blessings on blessings. Me and my
Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Sing happy birthday to AJ.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear AJ.
AJ?
Happy birthday to you.
AJ?
AJ's birthday.
AJ, happy birthday.
Say thank you, Papa.
Thank you.
Good job.
Look what you created. Everything surrounding me, you made it. Everything's so beautiful the way it flows together. I think I hear birds singing your praises. Amen. I swear you make me feel like I'm your favorite. Oh, it's the way the birds fly across.
Good morning, family. Good morning. It is AJ's birthday. So right now we are, as you saw, I just woke him up. So yeah, I'm excited. It's my baby's 3rd birthday. You're probably like, oh shoot, just balloons alone. Yeah. He got toys on the way. He got toys from me on the way. His grandfather has toys for him. One of my cousins have toys for him. He has gifts on the way, okay? So don't worry on yourself. They're very simple. The balloons made his morning. It made his morning, all right? His cake is in the fridge, so later on, after we come in from church, he'll get his cake. What else? Yeah, we got a lot on the agenda. So we go to a late church. We go to like an afternoon church. So church starts at 2-3, I think. So we seasoned the meat last night. Yeah. I really wanted to go to a river or something today for his birthday, but being like how we're going to church so late, I don't think we're gonna get a chance to do that. So let's see. But soon talk back to you now. It's okay.
Mommy, I did do this.
You want to bend it up?
Yeah.
Bring it, come. Wait. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear AJ. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Blow your candle. Blow!
Enough people on the cake. Papa helping you. Whoa, yay!
Yay! Good job, baby.
Wait. Alright, come, you and Papa. Come, Jam, come help him.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1,
2, 3, 4. Yay!
Alright.
Jam, you make sure you have some plate, man.
Jam, eat that. Mommy, I go cut.
AJ, the cake,
No, just lick it.
My man, take a chunk out of the number 3.
Jesus, Pim, AJ's candle is not edible. You, mommy. Lad. Jam.
Take it up. Hurry up and take it up.
No, sir.
Happy birthday, AJ.
AJ.
AJ, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
You don't bite the candle. Put it down.
Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to today's vlog. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't be stingy. Sharing is caring. Thank you so much for tuning into this week's vlog. Have a great day. Bye.